You all may be seated. Okay, Miss Tyler, you are back and it looks like you have some binders with you.
Yes, ma'am, I do.
This is your evidence that you didn't have the last time? Mm-hmm. Okay, all right, and we are on much better behavior today, correct?
Okay.
No, yes?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So, what's going on?
Well, last time, you hit me in the face real hard with
How did I do that? I didn't get off the bench.
I mean, I'm just saying, you know, it was with $7 million in child support and then $7 million, and then I didn't have any proof that I was already paying insurance and all these other great things, so I brought my insurance.
Wow. Right from the start, you feel the tension. You have Miss Tyler holding up receipts. Try to show she's been doing the right thing. And the judge warning everyone, we're not going to have any outbursts. It's like we're stepping into a storm of bitter dispute. When someone says you hit me in the face real hard, in a court of law, you know there's a lot beneath the surface.
You know, receipts here, and then I also brought...
Oh, now she's paying insurance.
And
Excuse me, Mr. Lewis.
Your Grace.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Continue.
I also brought proof of some current situations. I am hoping I get my children back or get all the child support away and just pay the insurance until I get somewhere else.
Okay, so let me make sure I got this.
And here's where it gets heavy. She talks about how she paid insurance, saved receipts, and more importantly, that she's desperately trying to get her kids back. That pain is real. You can hear the frustration. Paying child support while seeing little evidence of stability from the other side. The contrast between legal paperwork and real human lives. It stings.
If it's all right with you, I'd like to show you the insurance information.
Okay.
I explained that I have been paying $750 the entire year that my children have been with him, and here are the receipts from that.
All right.
Just 2 weeks ago, my child, Fire, was rushed to the hospital because...
Mr. Lewis, she's speaking. She's speaking.
Because he left them at home alone and she burnt her arm on the stove trying to cook noodles. And I have the medical bill for that here, and it shows that I paid that as well. He was not there. He did not show up. He was nowhere to be found until they discharged her and I took my child to...
All right, so let me ask you about this. Did you give him a copy of this bill?
Absolutely.
All right.
Hospital story, a child burned because he left him at home alone, is a gut punch. It shifts this case from legal jargon to actual risk. When you're talking about a child's safety, stakes change. It's no longer just support mounts. It's about security, trust, who's responsible when no one's watching. That moment demands we lean in.
They're kind of consistent with what he said.
No way.
I remember it. He blurted out 55. I remember it. Yes.
And in my cash out receipts right there, everything on there is more than 55. And
okay, are these to different people?
No, they're directly to him. That's under his name.
Because it looks consistent. It looks very consistent with what he said.
No, ma'am, that is every month. There's a deposit every month on my cash out receipts.
You don't deposit no cash up. Dumb.
You don't write memos like what it's for?
Yeah.
It's to him. It's to him. So that's the only time I'm sending the money is for my children. I didn't know any memo for that.
Right. Well, usually, I try to encourage people on the memo to write like child support or something like that so it's clear. Anything that you send that doesn't really say for a child support is considered a gift.
When we get down into the weeds, cash out receipts, memos saying gift, not child support, and the judge pointing out how that matters. This is a lawyer in U.S. or the viewer saying, wait, you mean money labeled wrong might mean you lose rights? Yes, because in court, form is meaning. The emotional story meets the technical rule. It's not just about love or fairness. It's about documentation.
And here's a photocopied, then aren't my dates and my sex and the names on my birth certificates are the ones that are correct?
You're most powerful.
I don't understand it now.
I have a question because normally this is not how evidence is presented. I'm just giving, because you guys are representing yourself and it's obvious you don't know what you're doing. Do you object to her evidence? Do you object to his evidence?
I solely object to anything that she brings to this court.
Okay, hold
so
on,
what
hold
are the
on,
kids'
Miss
names
Tyler.
again?
Miss Tyler, hold on. What's your legal objection?
Because I guarantee she didn't even show you the Cash App stuff. The Cash App stuff didn't have
Mr.
no memos
Lewis.
on it.
Mr. Lewis, I asked for your legal objection. You said you object. What is your legal objection?
Councilwoman, I'm objecting that she's bringing in falsified documentations because she's saying she has paperwork from my brother saying this, that, and the other. I ain't seen my brother.
Mr. Lewis's objections roll in fraudulent documents. We haven't spoken in 16 years. Photocopies versus originals. The drama intensifies. Not only are you paying, but are you even telling the truth? This is classic family court collision. Two versions of events, two piles of paper, and a judge in the middle trying to determine what really happened.
Stand with my mother at this
Okay,
present
so
time.
that is also true what she said.
Yes, ma'am, Your Highness.
All right. And it's also true that you've been using the child support to take the children to Disneyland, including yourself.
That was once.
Okay, what else have you been doing with the money?
Well, I have been furthering my abilities to elevate in my employment.
I've been licking boots.
Basically, what's taking place?
So you
is
going to
we'll be
school?
moving. No, we'll be moving. We're going to be moving from the state. I found a new job that's going to be paying more.
From the state?
Yes, we're leaving this state.
Did you ask the custody court for permission to move out of the state? You can't just leave. You have to ask for permission.
We went to Disney World.
Well, you came back. That's on vacation. You're talking about moving these kids, their residence.
I'm making it better for them.
Are you making it better for them to spend their money?
Eviction. Impending move out of state. Kids sleeping on floor while money gets spent on trip to Disney. It's chaotic and deeply sad. When he admits, yes, we got put out, and we're going to California, you see the fallout of broken systems. Children destabilized, parents on the move. The legal term material change may sound dry, but it's about forever changing children's lives.
I'm going to go with what you provided.
Well, I'm gonna have to use your line this time.
Which one?
Don't be sorry. Just don't use it.
Okay. You know what? You obviously came here to waste my time. Have you already moved?
Not yet. In 2 weeks.
Okay, so you're planning on moving.
With my money. So you waiting on the
Is
deposit from
that
me?
a yes or a no? You plan on moving?
Yes, ma'am.
In 2 weeks.
I plan
Okay,
on-
so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to grant her request, and I am going to stop the child support, because if you move, that means she does not get to see her kids like she would see them now. So the child support will be stopped, and you will be ordered to continue paying health insurance. You already plan to move.
Your
You already-
backslide, your toy buddy. She didn't tell you that.
Excuse me, Miss Tyler.
You ready?
You already about to move. And who, ma'am, you were a witness last time. You're not up here today. Okay, thank you. Now, you are already planning to move. All right? So that's a material change, don't you think? You move, you've admitted to using the money for reasons outside of the children. Yeah, no. So she is not going to be.
The ruling. Support stops, health insurance stays. That moment, it's the pivot. The judge takes control, but you can feel the weight of the decision. The ledger of receipts meets the ledger of lives. Children, insurance, payments, moving, they all collide. The phrase material change echoes like a switch being flipped on a family's future.
Before you stop, I need you to do this. With us moving, I don't want Vag's money or her insurance money. You can have the kids or not. We out of here. That's what I just wanted to make sure you knew. We out of here.
Your
Whether she
Honor,
pay or
What does
not.
that mean? Wait a minute, hold on. What does that mean?
We leaving. We going to the California.
Okay, so the kids going with you, or they're gonna stay here with
She
Miss
might can keep
Tyler?
fire if that's what she want to call. That little girl named Mark.
Anywho, I've made my ruling. She is going to continue maintaining health insurance as long as the children are living with you, or even if they at some point live with her. The children have to stay insured, okay?
Do you want them?
I want them today because you know.
And finally, the chaotic finale. We out of here, California. Kids go with you or staying here. It's messy, raw, real. It's not neat like you see on TV. It's one parent making a statement of escape, The other parent shocked, the court watching. That moment is visually and emotionally potent. It leaves you asking, what now for the children?